Hello, welcome back to Capsim Capstone 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips and details guide and tip from step-by-step guide for round 2. You can check the previous video for round 1, so it's very important for round 1 and round 2, round 3. Later rounds will be easy for you if you set right decision from round 1. So you need to look at the R&D, marketing, production, finance and TQM, or use all the 10 winning tips I show you the detail now. So remember to check the previous video for details guide and tip for round 1. If you have any questions, just send me a mail. And now we set decision for round 2, right? Decision for round 2. So I can review round 1. Yeah, it's very important. You look at industry condition reports, and then you will see the details to update the file segment for 8 rounds. But you need to combine this table 2 with table 3. You can do that. You can use the Excel file like this to combine table 2 and table 3, table 2 here, combine with table 3, and then you get this to update R&D for 8 rounds. This is the precise number, right? And also maybe number may be changed from student to student, so do not copy the number. Use the strategy I show you is a tool like Excel file to calculate that, but you need to check the number to match your game, right? Check the number to match your game. So now we update R&D. I show you now, right? R&D for the second round, for round second, right? So we update for traditional, right? 6.4, 13.6. Low end we don't need update this round, we update next round because low end needs 7 years to sell best. And now for the high end, right? High end need quite one round be behind, right? To have the right launching date 11.4, 14.6. Again, do not copy the number, right? Use the strategy I'm showing you, but number may be different from student to student, from game to game. So you need to use the number from your game and adjust that to match, right? So yeah, I show you here. You see how to do that. Learn the strategy, learn the method, and update with your game number. Again, do not copy the number from here and paste into the game. Numbers may be different from student to student, from game to game, right? So here for R&D, for low end, high end, performance and size, okay, right? And also for the new low end can double the profit, and new traditional can double the profit. And these two segments very important. Also see the video of round 1 I show you again one time more. So traditional and low end accounts for 70% of market share. Traditional 31%, low end 39%. So this is very important. That's the reason why we developed a new product here to double the sale and double profit in two largest segments. And now we set decision for the marketing. I show you the result. It's the price here. Basically, we just reduce the price by 50 cents. But I check the result first. We check the results first, right? Now we check the result first to see we have the right strategy, right? Right strategy, right. Here you see the traditional first, the price range here, right? The price range here. We set the price 29.5 and we still sell the best, right? We are able here, right? And also for the low end, we are here, right? We set higher price, but we can still sell the best, right? I agree here, right? And for the high end, we set the top price, still sell the best. And for the performance, we set the top price here, still sell the best after. And for the size also, right? So the price, you need to set the most competitive price, not the lowest price, right? Basically, we reduce the price by 50 cents. It's okay for each round from now, right? To maintain the competitiveness. But again, I already say this: do not copy the number and paste into the game. You need to understand that, right? You need to understand that. And I'm showing you the strategy, and you can apply the strategy, right? 2000 is the most optimal, for the promotion and sales, so we don't do that. We don't need to adjust. 2000 is the best one, no need to 3000, and we increase the other for next. And remember, the first two segment accounts for 70%. They are most important, so spend more for that, right? And now we need to do something most important, is to calculate the sale forecast here, right? Page number 4, sale forecast, right? This is very important to look at. Here you see that the number, the sale forecast. So we copy this one and then you use Excel file to calculate the sale forecast. I show you how to do it now for round 2, right? For round 2 we calculate the sale forecast. It's very easy calculation, but we need to do that, right? Here you see that the sale forecast and the growth here, the unit we show here, inventories here. So this one is the sale forecast, right, for this one. And the other one you add about 30%. Now we input into the game number, right, for the sale forecast. And again, I say you learn the method we are doing the way, but do not copy the number and paste into the game, because the number may be different from student to student, from the game to game, right? So learn the strategy, learn the way I'm showing you the method, and then understand that, and then you can apply with your game, adjust to match your game, right? Match your game, right? So do not ever copy paste the number. You need to understand that, and you learn that, and I'm showing the method, the strategy, right? So now we put the production. Production is easy because we calculate the sales forecast already. We know the inventory, just use the sales forecast, deduct inventory, and then we have the production schedule. And now we put that in, right? 2657 and 3258 and 797 and 798 and 684. Again, do not copy the number. You need to know that the number comes from your game, and use the forecast, deduct inventory, and then you get the production schedule. And we check that if you have enough capacity to produce. If you don't, you need to buy more capacity. So in this case, buy 200 more, and this one is okay, 300 and 300. And for the new one, we increase automation of the first two to reduce the cost and increase the production. The production cost and increase the quality, right? So that's the way we do. We have the limit budget here. We need to check to match that, too much here, right? So 6, 8, and here we can buy 200 to have enough the budget here, right? Enough the budget. And then we adjust the one to have the max we can produce 200% of capacity, 2 shifts, right? So we adjust that. We buy more capacity, so next round will be okay. And now we set decision for HR. No, not for this round. No decision for HR. Next round we will have. And now again for the funds, so we use all the fund we have for all the money, pay some very small dividend and borrow the short term, borrow the long term. Next round we will not have, but this round, the early round, we need own funds of investment for R&D, promotion and sales, production, expansion, and keep enough cash here to avoid emergency loans, right? So now we check that everything, and we check the performer income. We also have very high sales here, very high profit here, and also compare with the last round, we have the top result, but now we can even have a 226 compare with 157 and 5 profit here, compare 14 here, compare with last round 5 contribution margin very high, right? So I just show you round 2 on the decision of round 2, right? I show you R&D already, add new product, update product, marketing, set the price, promotion and sale, and calculate the sales forecast. Production, we set the production schedule, add new capacity and automation, finance, TQM, right? And you see on the 10 living tips here from industry condition reports. You can download the free Excel file to calculate, like I just show you. Update R&D, add one more new product in round 2, set prices, right? Reduce 50 cents. Calculate the sales forecast here based on last round we saw, and segment growth, and calculate production capacity based on the sales forecast and inventory, add new capacity, increase automation, and use all the 3 sources of funds. You will get a good result like this for round 2. For round 2, very high result for round 2. I see that much higher than competitors of sale and also profit and stop price onto the top stop price, right? Top stop price. If you have any question, you send the email to mbacim.paris@gmail.com or wincapsim2012@gmail.com and learn all the things I show you on the screen. It's very important to learn the game and win the game at the same time. If you need the more support, you can send the email here, right? For the guide of 8 rounds and also support 24,000 the day 7 days a week through the WhatsApp, right? WhatsApp. You can check the result, and you see the result here, right? Much higher sales than competitors, right? We have 190 million, the other around 130. We get the profits here higher than competitors, and also the market cap here 123 compared with others, right? So check the other video for the next winning guarantee for to win on round. Thank you for watching. Good luck, and take the other video for more winning guarantee. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.